What do you think I'm doing?
Hurting! Hurting!
Bert, stop!
Don't worry, I've got this.
How is this helping?
It's helping me have a look. Helping you, not so much. Nah, not close enough.
We need more rope! All it needs is a good...
Sorry, PDA. And now up, we go up.
I think we're stuck. Thanks, kitchen sink. Nice idea, Disky.
Yay!
Your phone ringing!
That rock sent people to the future?
Immense power? Well, if I can't have two's power, this will do just nicely.
What? What makes you think you get to have it?
I was down here first, so it should be mine.
You wouldn't have known this was here if it wasn't for us. Give it!
I need it! I don't want to be a joke or a reject. I could use this to change my future.
Or past.
I could change my past. I'm making impact on BFBI earlier. I need it. Please.
Guys, I think we should be careful of this thing.
Do-do-do. Don't worry about it, too. I can handle this. Whoa, two. What's happening? Ow!
Finally, Gatey!
I hate waiting.
But that wait is over because you all know what it's time for!
We sure do!
What? Marker? Why are you... What happened?
What happened with what?
The hotel. I mean...
Hotel? What hotel?
What is going on?
Ooh, where am I? Did it work? Well, almost.
Huh? What's happening?
Hi, guys!
Hello? Help!
What? Who are you?
Oh, I wasn't aiming for this planet, but... why not? You guys want to battle for limitless power? Taking that as a yes! Nice!
Guys, I swear, there was a hotel, and Marker was purple, and...
That's ridiculous, black hole. I've always been this way. Marker the Green. Remember that nickname everybody calls me?
I've always loved that nickname. High five, Marker the Green.
None of this is true? Or, okay, two, can you explain what's happening?
The tubular thing happening here, broski, is that it's time for cake and skates.
Huh?
You
Radical Cats will receive a brand new shiny skateboard when you're safe. Tennis Ball, you're safe with 24,507 votes. Booyah!
Yummy! Best one yet!
I thought the prize was a skateboard.
It's always been cheese. Now be quiet. Lai, you're safe with 19,861 votes.
Level up for you, Lai.
Is this a big practical joke?
You don't like me being safe, Black Hole? Sigh.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Achievement unlocked for Pen for being next safe with 18,114 votes.
Bottle is safe with 16,333 votes.
Where are you all coming from? Stop switching our hosts.
What are you talking about? The speaker box has been the host for as long as I can remember.
Golf ball, something's changing. You're smart. Can't you see this is not normal?
Black hole, I don't know what's going on with you.
I can feel something. Something's happening. I don't understand it though.
Down to the bottom two. TV and basketball. The contestant safe with 16,146 votes is It's TV.
Basketball! You are eliminated with 8,441 votes! No! No! I'm sorry, Basketball.
I'm sorry too, Basketball.
You think this would work on anyone? An old friend of two? I chat to two almost daily. They've never brought you up, ever.
My, quite an attitude. And not working on anyone?
Hello there.
Are you sure?
Needle? Bommy, you took everyone? What did they agree to?
To get out of here, just like you will.
But they never came back.
I never told them they were going back to you guys. Say, where are they now? So enough about that. What's it gonna take for you to sign?
It's time for Death Pack Yet Again's elimination!
Who or what are you?
Oh, Black Hole, we go way back. You know me. I'm Anne, of course, the iconic 27th letter of the alphabet. And like the last ceremony, the cake this time is the 28th letter of the alphabet. Because you got 21,935 votes.
This is nonsense. Complete nonsense. Fanny!
I hate nonsense, but this is anything but. Tennis Ball, I've never seen Black Hole seeming this frazzled before. Do you think that things seem unusual?
No, do you?
That's the thing, I don't.
Fanny, you're safe with 19,721 votes.
I hate you. Yay, I'm safe.
Okay, you two have to listen to me now. In all realities, in all possibilities, do you really think this is the world we'd live in? Where Evil Leafy is hosting? Where Planty is hosting? Really?
All realities, possibilities, golf ball, you don't think.
Reality, no. TV, quick.
Hey, I'm talking.
Hooray!
Tree and Robot Flower, you are the bottom two.
I thought people liked me.
Well, I like you, but that's not enough for you to stay. Tree is safe with 16,871 votes. Robot Flower is out with 10,771 votes.
I'm that disliked.
Of course! Why wouldn't you be?
I'm sorry, Robot Flower. I feel like this is all my fault. I tried to fix you for so long and...
Even if I wasn't myself for a while, knowing you were by my side that whole time makes me feel appreciated, which is all I've ever wanted.
Well, as usual, it's time for the two of you to go, so get in the slingshot!
Basketball, Robot Flower, goodbye.
Somebody help. Tree, what happened to you?
I knew this hair trimming was a bad idea.
Black Hole was right!
Quick, go, run, zoom, we gotta get out of here.
So, are you all ready for today's challenge?
We sure are, Globix.
Good, then for today's challenge,
Game up.
hey, I'm talking.
Black Hole was right, something around here is changing as a result of this.
3, 2, 1, 0!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115 bossy bot. Everything is perfectly fine. And don't be so paranoid about everything, GB.
Why would Black Hole be aware of it and not us?
Yeah, I'm smart. And green.
It's simple. Due to the extreme strength of its own gravitational pull and its effect on the space and time around him, Black Hole's body and memories would not be affected by any space-time anomalies. Ours would be. But look!
10 years ago, I used this very yo-yo light to travel forward to last year and almost risked messing with the future. If those guys have traveled back in time and are altering the timeline, the consequences could be... catastrophic.
Contestants, you need to sort this thing out. Guys, go get that failed ensemble back before anything else happens.
What was that?
Just helping them remember the original timeline.
Why would you want that?
It's easier for them to cause damage this way. Or, you know, this could all be over if you just agree to this silly deal already.
Surely this is way more effort than it's worth.
You'd think. But hey, I'll wait. In the meantime, let's watch.
I remember now. Damn, Zeus, not our host.
Yes! It's me, right?
No, imposter. Where to go?
And why am I green?
You guys remember.
How? Get out!
Yeah! It must be the yo-yo light. Such power.
That we shouldn't mess with.
So cool!
Everything's changing. Hey, TV, can you scan our past to detect those failed debuter guys?
Rejects are so stupid they don't realize messing with time has consequences.
Fine! This challenge seems good enough then. Teams, use this yo-yo light!
Careful!
Use a piece of the yo-yo light to head into the past and retrieve the failed debuers. The two teams that gather up the most contestants from the past will win immunity. The two that gather up the least failed debuers will
be up for elimination.
Research notes, reckless control of the yo-yo light will result in us being sent back in time without any point of return. So make sure that when handling the yo-yo light that you be professional, organized, and... Yeah! Is there enough fun for you all?
TV, give us our first 4 timeline points already. Easy. Retrieve the failed debuter before our
world falls apart. Go, party people!
March 24th, 2020!
March 1st, 2014!
January 12th, 2018!
May 1st, 2010!
Good luck, you guys.
Thank you, Black Hole. But I think those teams are the only ones that truly need the luck.
Yeah, wasn't talking to you.
Whoa, what's this challenge?
Oh yeah, back then you got eliminated. Well, today.
Huh? Who are you? Your newest member, for now and forever!
We gotta stop that guy!
We're on it!
And now, I'm on
Get out!
Okay!
The 5th contest is to cross a bridge. The team with more people. Excuse me, who are you?
Who? What? Where am I?
I'm talking. Please leave me alone.
Oh, my bad. What did you do to the speaking box?
You need to be punished. Go, 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 go.
Oh gosh, how are we going to save them without getting caught?
Stop! Give them here!
dead.
Thank you.
Wow, what do we have here?
Hey, go over there with the other fans already.
Hello? Anyone? Yay, yay! Now I can join.
I hate you. Let's go.
But wait, two's still up there! We need to fix things!
But the challenge is to retrieve the failures, not to fix the past.
But I want two back!
Can I go?
No!
Then I'm just going back to my dirt.
Huh?
Open mouth, yeah. Eat ice cream, yeah.
So, how's this different?
Looks normal to me.
Door, look!
I told them all to be careful. How am I gonna get out of here? Come on, just let me go. Wait, no, guys, I'm sorry.
Open mouth, yeah. Eat ice cream, yeah. What? Stop screaming. It's ice cream time.
So, did this happen last time?
Guys, please! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to! I'm sorry!
Apologize later. You're standing in our way of immunity, so get up here now!
Ready, team? 3, 2,
No!
1, let's go!
Hello, you nincompoop! We don't even know if we can be recovered in the past!
Then we better figure something out fast!
Yellowface, your products always come in handy. Got anything?
I'm bankrupt. I used my life earnings on the super van. I've got nothing.
As long as we can bring a dead body back to the present, I'm sure we can recover them.
I like that logic!
Hello, ready to help me create some luck?
Wait, no, guys, we can talk about this!
Bye, scissors!
What do we do about these guys?
Wait, if we don't fix this, won't it have long-term effects? Calm down, Golfball. The challenge was to bring the debuters back to the present. Now be quiet and let's go!
One down. Where to next, TV?
September 10th, 2020!
What's up, TV? Oh no, but that might...
And so I learned that everybody can make a difference.
Hey, let's go! Upgrade!
What just happened?
Well, because Cloudier went even further back, they must have changed something which caused a ripple effect, altering even more random details throughout the future.
Like that thing being the host? Who even is that?
I've had enough of those numbers. Let's just get to those other paper airplanes. Or hot air balloons, or...
Let's go, go!
Why are there more of you?
Ah! An imposter! A black hole! Get rid of them!
But killing a clone is still causing death.
I'm not dealing with this team again.
Kitchen sink, get over here now!
Nope, I don't think so.
And old me is dead.
No, we...
And now we are dead.
Stop messing around. Good.
We need to hope reality shifts again, or we're toast!
How do we stop these babies from flying sudden?
Chilly.
Yay! Nice work, Lassie! Hey, watching you! Team 2 have saved a failed debuter, tying them with Cloud Yay. Your next mission is here, October 3rd, 2008. Good luck! October 3rd, 2008!
Jeez, sure has been a while.
Stop!
to get all the way up there.
Maybe we just have to wait for the past to change enough for these things to come in handy. Hurry, before it changes again!
Bye, have a great time.
What's this? New contestants?
2, you were meant to land down
Hello
there,
there.
on that big blue planet, not this disgusting.
Yarg! Well, you guys seem a lot nicer than these folks, so if you can discard of them, then I'll come down to that planet and host there instead. Phew, honestly, I'm glad you guys came. I was not too fond of that lot. You know that they tried to beat me up? What contestants of mine would ever want to do such a thing?
Yeah!
Okay, I'm wanting to host now.
Excuse me, I'm already dealing with this one.
This is not right!
There we go. Now, are you guys ready to battle for a cool prize?
All resolved. Phew.
Black hole! We got anchor! I thought we saved 2.
I think with all the other teams, we still haven't got back to our timeline yet. Your fix. It's working.
Just like this new trim.
What's next?
Well, honestly, the other teams are too focused on the challenge and not really fixing up the timeline.
Then let's fix it to stop that thing.
I hate Cloud Yay. We're on it, Black Hole.
May 1st, 2010.
Maybe I should add this cloud to my collection.
You really made a mess, you know that? Whatever, let's just get out of here.
But we should probably try fixing all this. Okay.
Great work. Your next assignment is here. June 29th, 2012.
June 29th, 2012.
Huh? What is going on here?
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
I got her.
Nice try, Leafy.
Let me go! Thank you for the help, kind stranger.
Aw, hey, don't mention it.
Now we can finally finish the execution.
Wait, what? Wait, let her down, guys. So...
Grr, you let her get away! I think we have a new target.
No help! And Clapboard is dead.
Oh no! This is when he tried to execute Leafy after she sold Dream Island.
An execution? That's not very pact-like of you, Pen.
Hey, it's not like I was happy about it. Well, the past is in the past.
Don't worry, Pen. Everybody has regrets.
We need to stop this now!
Hey, two!
When you bake a cake, decorate and take it to the players who are safe. That's how you...
Yeah. Who are these people? And why is it so claustrophobic here?
What? Wait, what do we do?
The instructions are gone. Those were important.
Oh, sorry, we can get it back.
Okay, wait, guys. We don't need any...
Calm down, you guys. Yellowface, get those instructions back.
I'm on it.
And don't think I didn't notice you, Bill my getter pencil. We can't keep damaging the past. It might come back to get us. Right.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
No! Okay.
You know, if I took something old-timey like this box back home, it'd be worth a fortune.
Where'd Docky go?
Taggy! He could be anywhere!
Nope, right here.
Tell us right now, where do you put him?
Who knows? Oh well, I'll just have to take his place.
Oh, yeah, that can't be good.
Oh no. TV, what happened? You're kidding.
Game over.
Tell us right now, where do you put him?
Who knows? Oh well, I'll just have to take his place.
No, we need to find him.
If only we had a one-up.
Come on. Where are you, Fiery?
We'll get him later. Now we...
Now that Fiery's gone, I think if we remove income tax return document, everything crumbles!
Hey, you're useless!
I'm important. Yes!
Ah! So many comics! Where could Fiery be?
Eraser, activate the announcer crusher.
We have very little time. What do we do?
We have to get her.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Aw, we lost her.
No. I remember this. She went that way.
Please.
This is terrible. Why is it so slow? Won't this thing go any faster?
Look who I found!
She's back. Everyone, after her.
Wait, no!
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
And that's 2 for you. Your next destination is here. March 1st, 2011.
You did awesome, guys.
March 1st, 2011.
Hello? Yeah, looks like we're too late. Back home we go.
Stop! Down here!
Quickly! Nowhere to go, Boom Mike.
Get away from her!
Hey, stop it, you!
Come down here, now.
Oh, right. That's what we were doing.
Okay, back down to the bottom, everyone.
With 2 contestants saved, Cloudy Ye are tied with... Your next assignment is here on July 24th, 2020.
July 24th, 2020.
So, is that crack fine, or...?
IDK.
Oi, what are you doing with the...
What are you doing here?
What do you mean? I've always been part of the cast. I won season 1, remember?
Uh-oh. Hey guys, good news! The diary we're meant to be looking after. Wait, who are you people? No! Run!
That's it. You guys are on trial for stealing my diary.
Welcome, jury, to the first ever BFB court case.
Court is now in session. What are you doing?
Hurry!
Find these traitors.
I don't think you have any idea how...
Oh dear, they have a van, and all we possess are our legs. Back inside for me.
No, today's challenge is to bring those traitors to me. Price tag? Did they abandon us?
Hey, TV, do you know where income tax...
Not in these 4.
Not here.
Not here either.
Gotcha. Thanks, Black Hole.
Phew, you scared me.
Sorry, buddy, but I found him. Let's go.
Wait, how? What?
What is happening? It would be cool if it was total Golfball Island.
No!
You T-Potters, give me back my van!
Your van? You stole this from me. That's it.
There isn't enough room up here. That's better.
Hey, Jolison was our friend.
Look, you're all distracting us from...
Disky. Be more careful.
Whoops.
No, we seriously need to fix these. Let's go already. Ha. Fine. And Claudia, you now have 3 failed debuters saved.
You guys need to pull it together. You're damaging the past. Think of the consequences.
I've been saying that this whole time, but you guys are all too focused on winning immunity that you're not noticing the universe-shattering consequences above you. Others can clean that mess. I'm not losing again, golf ball. This is more important to you, maybe. You have no idea what it's like to be stuck in a classroom for 6 years. I tried to be a good leader, to be the one to get us out of there, and Robani was the one to save the day in the end. And now everyone I knew and trusted is gone. And the people I do know won't even talk to me. So maybe I want to avoid being put back up for elimination. Maybe it is more important to me, because I can't go back there.
I can't go back there. Maybe those failed debuters were right. Maybe changing the past might save me!
The pencil! No!
Wait, no! We have to be careful with this, guys. It might!
Whoa. Oh no! Where'd they go?
Yeah!
Huh. Wow. All better. Time for the challenge.
Slowly but surely, we're fixing.
Guys, Cloudye, they vanished, and their Yoyolite is still that crack. What are we gonna do?
We'll do what we can. Where can we fix next?
Cloudier left a mark on BFD22. Quite a few characters were thrown off the super van. Perhaps try to retrieve as many as possible?
You got it!
July 24th, 2020.
Where are you people coming from?
Hey, Axe, what's this?
Woo, again!
I only have 2 R's. I can't.
Leak! Leak!
Oh, a leak? Where?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ouch! I hate arms!
Interesting. I wonder. Come on!
What? Why are you guys here? Murderers! And I thought you were meant to stay true to the past!
Okay, quick. We need to get everyone back to that courthouse stat.
You don't know what it's like to be on the sidelines. I want to play.
Not like this, Doc.
Ew. Please, I'll do anything. I just want to be punished.
So, not Total Golf Ball Island? Well, whatever.
Nice work, guys! That's your 2nd rescue. But it may not be enough. Claudier already has 3 rescues. Though, they are missing right now. But also, I've saved 2 members and are on their 3rd now.
Where are they? We can beat them!
March 1st, 2011! It's useless going up. We won't tag leak before them.
Then let's go another route.
Go ahead, you two. TB, we're needed for an adventure. Ew.
Yeah!
Maybe this idea was a bad one.
OMG, a leak.
Ew, yuck. I am not going.
Get over here!
No, please, I want to stay. Gotcha. Now where's tennis?
Help! Run!
Recover bubble! Oh, and gelatin too!
And that's yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Back to the ruins, monks.
Congrats! Has saved 3 failed debuters!
So close.
What? But we fixed some of the past. Did you guys mess up anything?
They did, but I think this is the fault of them.
Then let's go back and stop them!
Nuh-uh.
What now?
I think they lost their power. That means those guys are
stuck.
First, choose the people who should be allowed onto the island.
Choose us. Yeah, choose us. Choose us. No, where is it? You pencil, you doomed us all. I knew you joining was a mistake. Whatever. Someone will just come and save us eventually.
But Dream Island's right over there. I want to see.
Yellowface, no! You'll do more damage.
Well, I may as well see it.
That'll cause even more bad luck.
Break it up! None of this is helping!
We need to keep it together. Ow! 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 You are a mean person, and I do not believe you deserve to be on Dream Island. Ah! Get off! Get off! What's going on? Leafy, just get in here.
Thank you, Finey.
Wait, did Leafy just get into Dream Island? What did you do? We've done too much damage!
No! Your phone ringing! Your phone ringing! Big boy, come pick up your phone!
Black hole! What should we do?
How you know pick up your phone?
Wait,
your phone
I think we're
ringing!
doomed.
Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the fuck up.
Moments remain. The choice is yours.
You wouldn't actually let this happen!
Hey, I'm safe here. I can find other ways to get that power. With or without your friends.
Fine!
About time. Get it? You guys are all so boring. Whatever. I'll revert everything back to the way it was.
And send me back, right? Right?
Is everything okay?
We're back!
We're back!
It's still here. But I think I can manage it for now.
Phew! Thanks, black hole! Say, am I purple again?
Nope, you're green. Like me.
Looks like a few changes carried over, but I think we're in good shape.
Hello there.
Bye, have a great time.
Few changes.
Hello there.
No.
Well, While they're gone, TV, tell us who is up for elimination.
Cloud Yay and Save the Most failed debuters, so Team 2 and Death Pact yet again are up for elimination.
Really uncool today, guys.
Yeah, really, uncool. Winner, you go over there and just wait till we're ready to speak to you again.
Viewers, Team 2 and Death Pact yet again are up for elimination. You get 1 vote per team, so use your votes wisely. Use the poll in the description to cast the votes for the contestants you want saved. The contestants with the least votes on each team will leave the show.
This episode is releasing 15 years after BFDI won to the day, so Happy New Year's and thank you no matter when you joined. My name is Michael, and don't forget to watch BFDIA 17 Start the Shift if you haven't already. Plus, the One Plush and Fanny Plush are now revealed and ready to order today. Thank you to every guest voice actor for being in today's episodes. Thank you to our directors for wrangling our biggest cast ever, and see you in TPOT 16.
Huh?
Hello there.
You okay? It's nice to see someone. Come on, it's time to go.
Wow.
Bye, have a great time.